Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. In this episode, we're going to look at a gorgeous kit from Elaine Hayhoe. It's cup number cup1127284 _72307. It's called Gnome Christmas Antics mini kit. You get 3 sheets and it's perfect for an 8x8 inch square card front. And I'd like to show you exactly what you get in the kit, then we'll go ahead and make the actual card. So the first sheet is the gnome card front. Driving gnome for Christmas. Wishing you sparkle, wishing you cheer, a bright Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I think that's a lovely sentiment. We've got some extra decoupage layers as well for the car and for the mini tags. Our next sheet is the large decoupage layer for the card front and the decoupage for the car as well as Mr. Gnome. Our last sheet is the insert that says Merry Christmas, and we've got an extra gift tag as well. So we'll go ahead and make the card, and I just want to show you the mini tag and the mini card. So you could use these to coordinate with gifts for Christmas. If you want to make an extra mini card, you could use the little card front. So everything could have a coordinated look. I'm taking an 8x8 inch square blank white card, and we're going to add the insert first. So I've cut out the insert, I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm simply just going to remove the back of the tape, and then we can pop the insert into the card. So I'm just going to position the insert to the centre of the insert of the card itself, and when I'm happy I'm going to let it sit and press it down. There we go. How nice and simple was that? And it's a beautiful insert which will match perfectly to the front of our card. So now we can turn our attention to the front of the card. The card front again fits the full size of the 8x8 card. We've got double-sided tape on the back, and I can simply add the card front to the card. There we go. Get it in position, and when I'm happy, just like the insert, press down. There we go. Now we can build up the decoupage on the front. So our first layer is the large layer of the inside of the design. 3D foam on the back, and I'm just simply marrying up the design from the layer before and just popping that over and pressing it down. There we go. Our next layer is the gnome and the car. 3D foam on the back, and just pop that over the layer before. I've then got Mr. Gnome at the side that's hanging on the Christmas tree lights. 3D foam on the back of him. So we just add him there. And then the second layer of Mr. Gnome hanging on the lights. 3D foam on the back. Now for any new crafters, you might think, oh, there's a bit missing. Mr. Gnome's lost his feet. Well, decoupage will be slightly smaller on every layer that as you go higher and higher up. So don't panic if something looks as though there's something missing, because it will be as you're building the image up. Our next layer is back to the car. 3D foam on the back, and just pop that layer over the previous layer. And lastly, I've just got the poinsettia for the corner. 3D foam on the back, So we just simply add this over the previous and press it down. And that is our card finished. So we can see those gorgeous decoupage layers. The insert matches perfectly. And then we've got our our mini gift card and our gift tag to coordinate with. Such a gorgeous kit. Now I'd like to remind you of the cup number. It's cup1127284 _72307, and it's by Elaine Hayhoe, and you can search for Elaine and see any of her designs on the Craftsuprint website. So I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.